Using AI for business plan or executive summary drafting is easier than ever. In this video, I'll show you how you can leverage AI to quickly create a solid foundation for your business plans or executive summaries, whether you're a new entrepreneur or looking to improve your existing content. And stick around till the end, because I'll be revealing an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using in this tutorial. First, let's talk about why AI is a game changer for drafting business documents. When you're starting a business or preparing a pitch, time is crucial. Writing a business plan or executive summary from scratch can be overwhelming, especially if you're not sure what to include or how to structure it. AI tools, like the one we'll be using today, can save you hours by generating drafts, providing ideas, and even suggesting wording that's aligned with what investors or partners expect. So, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is choose a solid AI platform. While there are several out there, I've tested a number of the most popular ones, and I'm going to recommend the one that works best for this type of task. This software is versatile, intuitive, and powerful, making it the perfect choice for business plan drafting. You can follow along with me today because I've arranged an exclusive free trial of this software just for my viewers. Check the description for the link. Once you've signed up for the software, you'll want to start by selecting the business plan template or a similar option within the software. These templates are designed to guide you through the sections you need, from your executive summary to your market analysis, financial projections, and more. AI can take care of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on refining your ideas. For example, when you enter your business name, industry, and a few key details about your mission, the AI will begin generating the core sections of your plan, like the executive summary and value proposition. The AI can even offer recommendations based on industry standards and trends, ensuring you're using the right language and structure. Next, let's talk about how to make the most of the AI-generated content. After the AI has provided the initial draft, you'll want to go through it, tweak it, and add any specific information that's unique to your business. You might need to adjust the tone or replace certain sections to better reflect your vision, but the AI saves you a ton of time by providing that initial framework. Another great feature of this software is its ability to generate executive summaries that are concise but comprehensive. The executive summary is often the first thing people will read, so it needs to be spot on. The AI helps you craft a compelling summary that highlights the most important aspects of your business, such as your value proposition, target market, and financial outlook, while keeping it short and engaging. Once you're happy with your business plan or executive summary, don't forget to ask the AI for any final suggestions. Some tools even offer a review feature that analyzes the clarity and effectiveness of your document, ensuring it's optimized for the intended audience. A quick recap: using AI for business plan or executive summary drafting is as easy as selecting the right tool, entering a few business details, and letting the software generate the initial draft. From there, you can personalize and refine it to fit your exact needs. Here's your key takeaway. AI is a powerful tool that can drastically reduce the time and effort required to draft your business plan or executive summary. It helps you get started faster and ensures you're covering all the right points in a professional manner. Just remember to refine the AI-generated content and add your personal touch to make it truly yours. Before you go, I recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description below. Don't miss out on this offer. It's available only to my viewers. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your business plan drafting.